welcome back. Today we are at Carter Caves in Olive Hill, Kentucky, Carter Caves State Park, and we are going to do the Horn Hollow Cave Trail. So a few things I need to tell you about this trail. Horn Hollow Cave, you have to have a permit to go inside that cave. You can't just go in there. And there has to be at least 2 people in your party. You have to have a flashlight that is not a flashlight that is on your cell phone. You have to have an actual flashlight. So we have our headlamps today. And also, big thing to note, you have to be willing to get at least knee deep in mud or water. So if you're going to explore that cave, come prepared. We didn't really come prepared to wade in that much water, but we're going to see what all we can get. We did get the permit, and you have to return your permit after you're done hiking this hike. So once again, you have to get it at the Welcome Center. So let's go take a look.
All right, so we just showed you that cave there. You could strip down, walk in there, but there's some spots that water's like almost 5 foot deep. It is 40 degrees outside right now. All right, and that water, I don't even know what the temperature that water is, but it is freaking ice cold. My guess is it's just above freezing, or it's because it's moving is why it's not freezing. That's a pretty awesome cave back there though. Might have to come back this summer and go back that. All right, this is probably a good time to mention this Horn Hollow trail we're on. Blaze green. So all you have to do is stay on the green blazes and you'll be fine on this one. It's a nice trail, it's hilly.
I tell you in the beginning.
They do, they tell you right on the sign, hilly. It says it right on the sign, just like that, H-I-L-L-Y, hilly. And it is. Kind of like mini version of Shawnee, but more rocks to walk on. Okay, so you just saw the waterfall overhang and a little creek there we were just by. When you're walking out this trail, there's gonna be like 2 plastic markers that stick up out of the ground. It ain't marked to come back here. This is just like a little spur trail. But when you see the 2 markers on your right, brown markers with the backpacking people on them, make it right there and follow that spur out and you'll get out to where we just were. You guys better love me for this. You really better. This is about to not be fun. It actually will be fun. It's just freezing cold. And it's gonna be an absolute mess. Super slick, baby. We're gonna walk that up to the end and stop it. Or if you can walk through, careful. Keep your head going forward. Look at the ceilings.
Water.
Yeah.
Wow. It's way back there.
I'm coming. Turn your head around so I can see. Holy cow. I don't know if this is picking up. This thing's huge. They're down there, honey. Look. We need to get brighter headlamps or we'll be caving. Ooh, that's deep. Alright. Keep your light on here. Alright guys, I know the lighting sucks, we're doing the best we can, but this is awesome. They act like this was all flooded out. I've been a lot of rain lately and it's walkable in waterproof shoes. You just watch your footing, it is slick. We're used to sandstone back home, which you can get footing on. This stuff's just smooth and slick. But we're trying to show you as much as we can just because our lights aren't that bright. We're gonna start doing cave and we're gonna have to get brighter headlamps. But this place is awesome. I can't tell you how awesome it is. So we're gonna get our butts out of here, get down the trail after we explore for a few more minutes. The things we do for you guys. I'm just kidding, that was fun. My wife's still back in there. I'm just leaving her down there. I don't care. She said she's going exploring, she's leaving me. I said, go home to your place, Hobbit.
Horn Hollow Trail Cave is definitely well worth taking the 2 seconds to walk in the Welcome Center and get your permit. I definitely say if you're going to do this trail, you'd be missing out not to get this.
So Missy just told me this is called X Cave. It's locked up right now because I think this is a tour only cave, isn't it?
Yes.
All right, so my good idea is I think I need to go get the key and lock the Hobbit in her Hobbit hole.
All right, guys, so that was Horn Hollow Trail and Horn Hollow Cave, which, remember, you need to get that permit from the Welcome Center before you go inside that cave. Awesome cave, though. I hope you enjoyed. Awesome falls down there. Amazing little short trip. Just over 2 miles. So, fantastic place. Lots to see. There is not a corner on this trail that you're not going to see something interesting. So, definitely worth it. Short, but it's definitely worth it. We'll see you in the next one.